This weekend we went hiking in the Mont d'Or. It is a chain of small mountains in the north of Lyon. As my job is very busy, I did not get to take a vacation, so we are enjoying the local spot during the weekends. The plan is to hike all the way from one side to the other to enjoy the view on the valley. After that, we decided to go paddleboarding. You might remember our last attempt on Miami. This time it was quieter as there were no waves and we were on a quiet part of the river. We also got to do it together on the same paddleboard, so that was new for us, but very exciting. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to be notified every time we post a new video, but you can also click on that playlist that will bring you to another adventure with us. See you next time. Bye bye.